So let us today see why the left-sided parietal clefts are more common than the right-sided clefts. So there are a couple of theories which have been postulated. What happens during the embryonic development is that the parietal shelves grow and fuse from the sides towards the center. So it is hypothesized that the left parietal shelf may develop slightly later, or it develops slightly slowly than the right hand side, making it more susceptible for disruptions or delays, which results in the formation of clefts. Now, some studies have also shown that the right side of the face develops faster than the left side. So, faster growth means it reaches the midline and fuses faster, whereas the left side fails to fuse, leading to a higher incidence of left-sided clefts. Now, there is a broader pattern in human embryology wherein certain structures develop asymmetrically or with a slight lateral bias. Now this is true across the body, and this phenomenon is called as lateralization. So this lateralization may also contribute to higher incidence of left-sided clefts as a part of the general tendency towards asymmetry in one side of the body. So these might be the possible reasons why left-sided clefts are more common than right-sided.